Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Carmen. Alright, so all you need for this project is scissors, pins, the drop cloth or bed sheet, the flat sheet, whatever you have on hand, and an old shower curtain just for the measurements. Now you can wash this ahead of time because it has like a weird smell to it, and then also you want it to shrink when you wash it. That's what I usually do. This is leftover drop cloth from another video that I made using drop cloth to cover furniture. Yo, right on point. So this is the same exact length of the shower curtain. I actually like my shower curtains long, so I'm gonna add like about 10 more inches. Just add whatever additional inches you want. Maybe your curtain rod is higher than normal standard, bathroom measurements, whatever. Now, if you notice, when you buy the drop cloth, the edges are already finished. So you don't have to do anything with the edges at all. All edges are finished. See, they're all hemmed and everything like that. The only thing you would have to do is just hem the bottom. That's it. So since I want 10 additional inches, I'm going to add 2 more inches for the hem. Because remember, when you wash it, it's gonna shrink up. I'm not sure how many inches it shrinks up, but I'm gonna go ahead and add just 4 inches just to be on the safe side. Because I like my curtains to be long. Now go ahead and cut the bottom. So now go ahead and pin the bottom part, hem it. So you're gonna pin 1 inch, fold 1 inch, then fold another inch. So now we just simply fold because we already know where the line is. Damn, I haven't used this sewing machine since I think the baby blanket. Huh?
Click that video on the top right.
Oh my gosh.
The baby blanket.
I'm gonna put it on a zigzag stitch just to give it like a little design at the bottom. You can do straight stitch, whatever you want. Don't forget to back stitch. Remember to back stitch in the beginning and at the end. Okay, so that was super simple. We already got the sides done because it's already hemmed. So now we just gotta focus on the top where the holes are. So since this has already a thick hem, it's like really thick, you can make tiny holes. There's two stitching lines, and you can make the hole right between that, and it's gonna come out beautiful. So what I like to do is I like to measure where the hole is gonna be at. So all you gotta do is fold it and then just very gently make a little tiny hole. And that's it, guys, we are done. Once you do the holes, put it on. I'm gonna hang it up in my bathroom and then I'm gonna show you the end results.